Welcome! You are now watching the Factory In-House Live Show of 2021 TaipeiPLAS ShoeTech Taipei. I'm Jada, your host today. The 2021 TaipeiPLAS ShoeTech Taipei has been transformed into a unique and brand new digital event as online exhibition and DigitalGo. Due to pandemic, even though we cannot meet face-to-face in physical trade show, don't worry. I'm going to bring you to visit our exhibitors factory in Taiwan through internet. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave in chat box in words. We will answer them in Q&A section. Today, let me bring you to TENSO. TENSO is the expert of robot and robot arms. Now let's welcome Mr. Ivan Chen, the Global Marketing Manager of TENSO. Hello, Ivan. Now let's follow Ivan to visit TENSO's factory. Let's go.
Hi everyone, my name is Ivan Chen. I'm Marketing Manager of the TENSO Machinery. Welcome to a live show of the Factory In-House Tour. And thanks for you everyone to join us. And TENSO Machinery was founded in 1985. Our worldwide customer is over 40 countries. And our main product is automating robot for glass injection molding machines. Production factory and quality center is located in Taichung City of Taiwan. Production factory and production area is over 5,000 square meters. So in other words, our product is 100% is made in Taiwan. And our robot family can be interlocked between the 50 tons to 5,000 tons injection molding machine with any brand. Via Euromap, SPI, and I/O connection, and also available Industry 4.0 collection needs. Come on, let's go. I will gonna to show you something. This one is our TEL series robots. The TEL means not telephone. The TE means goes to the TENSO, our company name. The L is close to the large. So you can understand TEL means the large size robot produced by TENSO machinery. And we also have the TES series and TEM series. So you can very easy under this concept, you can easy to understand our robot family. And you can see the 2000 here. This robot main is a TEL 2000 SNC3P. The 2000 main is the vertical stop, up and down. This goes to the 2000 millimeters. And kind of this robot, it can be upgraded. The maximum can upgrade to 4,000 millimeters. And grab capacity, the maximum is close to the 70 kilogram. There is no same size in the Asian market. No competitor. And about the powers, we use a new generation Panasonic servo system. The encoded feedback is up to the 23 bits. The accuracy is 64 times than other competitors. And also come with the suppression vibration system powered by Panasonic servo motor. TENSO is no longer just only manufacture and sell the robot. We try to be our best to be a total solution provider. If you're interested in our product, or for more information about TENSO machinery, please feel free to contact us or click a link to visit TaipeiPLAS DigitalGo. Or you can visit our official website or YouTube channel. Thanks for your time, I appreciate it. I hope we can see you very soon. Thank you.
Hi, welcome back. I would like to encourage everyone, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave in the chat box now. And I would like to welcome Mr. Ivan Chen again. Hello, Ivan.
Hi, hello everyone.
Okay. Hi, Ivan. That's good to have you here. And we have one question for Mr. Raj Kumar. He would like to know, what is the difference between your robot and other competitors? Please, Ivan, the floor is yours.
And compared with the Japanese robots, the key of the transmission of the motion, and we are not using the timing belt. It is a consumable. It's a consumable. And the key of we're using the rock and pinion system for the driving it. And it can be extend the life of the product, the robots. The greatly improve the safety and security of the factory production line. And however, when we face to the European robot competitors, we have the same quality on robots, but we have the better price performance. And we use the lower cost to get the same quality robot system. That is a good thing for the customer. And we try to stand out from this point. Thank you.
Any other questions? If there's no further questions, I would like to wrap up today's activity. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you're interested in more solutions, please visit TaipeiPLAS.com.tw and shoetech.com.tw for more details. And of course, if you're interested in TENSO's robot machine, please welcome to visit TENSO.com.tw for their services. Thank you, Ivan, for joining us. I would like to wish everyone healthy and happy and see you soon. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.